How to create synthetic wood trim. It can be easy to make a synthetic wood trim with the help of some dedication and carpentry skills. Here are some of the main ways that can help you to create a Speedflex synthetic wood trim. Ripping and beveling. A table saw having a sharp blade is needed in order to rip the trim lengths from stock of any type. Once the fence is set, the stock is pushed through in just one motion. A push stick should be used for guiding the last 2 feet to ensure that your hands are not near the blade. You may develop a bevel over the surface of a trim that is 3-inch or narrower by having the blade angled by 10 to 15 degrees. The fence should be set in such a way that the angles of the blade are away from it. The Speedflex trim that is tripped freshly should be pushed through the blade. It is a great way to make window and door casing. Shaping. A router can be used to create various cross-sectional contours on trim that is beveled or straight. This can be done most conveniently in case you have a good router table having a router attached to it permanently. When a static router is used to push stock, it can offer you a higher level of control. You can have better results as compared to the use of a portable equipment over a clamped stock. With a portable router, C-clamps, 1x10-inch lumber, and sawhorses, a makeshift router table can be created. To achieve better results and control without using gouges and chips, it is essential that you adjust the Speedflex router in order to push the trim against that bit present on the side which spins to it. Adjusting. You might only require the use of a 120 grit sandpaper for rudimentary sanding in case you are planning to paint the Speedflex trim. Have sharp blades and have accurate technique. You will be able to save labor by priming it prior to nailing it in. Additional attention will possibly be needed for hardwood trim which you want to stain and coat clearly. The rough edges will be made smoothly with a 120 grit sandpaper and a palm sander. A rotary tool having a sanding drum accessory fitted to it can help remove chatter marks that router leads to. When you use a 150 grit paper for the ultimate hand sanding, your trim will be ready for finishing and staining.